Okay, hello guys. Today I made a video that said that we went to Manila Ocean Park, and you can watch the full video on my channel. So I'm gonna do that with X recorder. Okay, so first we are going to my gallery, and these are all of my things. Forget about the today. Okay, so what was this? Okay, so first one is like these fishes.
These fishes.
Watch this.
Look at this one.
Yeah, that's me. That's me.
This is so like.
I wonder what's that, but I blurred it.
Look at this.
Now that is a great fish. I remember this. This is yesterday. Oh wait. Sorry guys. I was just eating. But look at this. Okay, fish. That's Dory. So yeah, that's Dory. Have you even seen a fish, Dory? I don't even know. No nice fishes. More. Mimo. The guy, this is Mimo. Sorry but this is Mimo. Or called the clownfish. What's this fish there? Seahorses. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, that's a big fish. That's a big fish there. This one's there. So blurry. Okay, see, it's moving. So it was like that, but I just think it just moved a lot. Hey, look, fish. We're in the tube. And I'm going to take a picture. That's a stingray. That's a stingray. That's stingrays. That thing. Okay, so first, I'm gonna tell you a few. In 2017, I think I was born. Yeah, I was born. I was like 01. No. Actually, we went to Ting. My sister was 4, I think. I was like 2. And my sister touched a stingray. I'm not even kidding. And patted. I'm not kidding. Not kidding. I'm not lying. Then once we went back, one stingray stopped next to my sister. And my mom said, "Wait, is this the one stingray that you see?" And that's it. See, this one. I don't know if it's it. But yeah, this one. The fishes. Okay, this is it. This one. This stingray. That's the stingray. That's what stopped. Look at those fishes. Why did they even stop? Wait. Do these fishes know attitude? No. I mean, sister. Do they know? Okay, she's right there. There's so much fishes. I wonder what's that. Fishes. Whoa, so much fishes. Okay, next, it's a thing. So you put your hand inside of it. So think that the fishes will go to your hand, but mine one didn't work. Okay, those are now sharks. Now these sharks are here, but look at this one. My mom said it's the longest shark. That one inside.
And it's one of the biggest sharks.
I didn't send it to my dad, but later. Next, we have these stingrays. None of the people know that you look up and there's stingrays. Wait, what did we just break in the time? Okay, we got sharks. Sharks more. Okay, I thought that was the Titanic. I thought the Titanic was go up, was thing. You see this? That's a boat. Okay, this is a 10.
Stingrays. We're penguins.
Okay, look, just look. Wait, what?
There's no food there. Look. Come see me. Look.
Okay, so I saw come see me beans penguins. You don't know how to see this. I see it.
See.
It's freaking
Oh,
nice.
this is so dark.
Okay. Look, they went inside. You can spend money for 500 to go inside. See, penguins. That's crazy.
Oh, this is. We're finally finished with the penguins.
Okay, now we're going somewhere. What is it? Wait, I don't remember this. Come on, I need to go.
This just looks like a museum.
Okay, so up was
Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
there's a picture that Santa
Big snow.
snows. Penguins.
Santa.
That's Santa. Hey, that ain't real. That ain't real. That's just a statue of it. And now welcome to the store. We got,
Done shopping. And then
you know, the channel of Sharky. It means that I got it. Now there's a whole arcade where we can continue to watch a movie in Manila Ocean Park.
Martin, you can see jellyfishes.
Yeah.
We will go back fully.
And once we went outside, there's a water slide. Okay, there's some stage things. Those are parrots. I don't know.
Jellyfishes.
This is jellyfish. This way.
Jellyfishes.
This is circle. See? Jellyfish.
They're totally real. That's it. Jellyfishes.
And look, that is big. Pictures. Okay, this is another one. It's so cool. It's a,
Wow, this is so cool.
okay, this is the one. This is so cool. This is like
Wow, let's see here. Crystals. What? Oh, this is so cool. Crystals. Oh no, which way?
oh my god, crystals. Okay, so this is the thing. So you're like, there's like a. So what? How this game works? First, if there's two holes in another, you shout ah, and then if you hear it, you are a superhero. Superhero powers. Okay, this is another shop. Yeah, another shop. Next, we're at the insects. Snake got a real. Okay, let's start. First, we have this dragon. Shh, shh. You got this dragon? Sorry, guys. Next, you can't see the turtle because it's foggy.
Those tiny turtles.
They can move. How could you if they can
Those
move?
tiny turtles.
I can't. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now, why does the skin look like that? This is a sugar glider. But there's even a sugar glider. Another one up there. Snake. Turtle. Spider. It's blurry, but I'm sorry. Frog. Frogs. This dragon. Ooh, tiny frogs, baby frogs. And a hedgehog. What is that? Snake. Whoa, that should be a crowbar. Snake. Look at so much snakes. Snake, snake, snake. Okay, now this is thing. There's a kitchen that has epices. One cockroach. Even the roof. No, more. There's one here. I don't know where is it, but it's right here. If you want to pause, you can see this. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. I screwed it up. Now see this? I made some chocolate. You can. Okay, okay. Sorry, my bad. This is me. Okay, that's it. So, if you want to go to Manila Ocean Park, you can just go. It's very far. What did we finish Ocean Park? We went to Moa. But next time we'll go to IKEA because we saw it in Manila Ocean Park. Okay, that's it, everyone. We'll see you guys in the next video. So we're gonna go to time zone tomorrow after school. Bye bye.